don't know how I feel about this. Oh my god. I don't think I can pull this trend off. Hey guys, it's Tina here. Welcome back to my channel. Can you believe that it's already a few months into 2019? Like, where did the time go? Now, with each year comes new trends. So for today's video, I'll be trying out some of the biggest beauty trends predicted for 2019. Now let's start off with the first trend, personalized beauty products. Every year we're seeing more and more brands come out with personalized products. There's foundations, lipsticks, fragrance, hair care, but this year is all about skincare. Now, as you know, when it comes to skincare, one size does not fit all. We all have different skin types and different skin concerns, but now you can actually personalize and customize your skincare to suit your specific needs. Clinique has just launched their new Clinique ID range, which combines hydration and treatment into one step. I've partnered up with them in this video to show you guys how it works. First, you pick out your hydration base. There's 3 to choose from. The hydrating jelly, made for all skin types and gives you 24-hour hydration. The moisturizing lotion plus, which is great for dry to dry combination skin types. Then there's the oil control gel, designed for combination to oily skin types. Step 2, choose your active cartridge concentrate. So as you can see, there's 5 to choose from, and each one helps combat a different skin concern. The green cartridge contains probiotics, which helps to calm and comfort red and irritated skin. The blue contains AHAs, which help to retexturize and reduce the look of pores. The white one contains Japanese Angelica root, which helps to even out and brighten your skin tone. The orange one contains taurine, which helps to re-energize and revive dull and tired skin. And finally, the purple one contains whey protein, which helps to smooth out fine lines and wrinkles. Altogether, there's 15 customizable combinations to choose from. Once you've chosen your active cartridge concentrate, all you have to do is remove the plastic tube around it, then pop it into your hydrating base. Now, because I live somewhere hot and humid and I'm always in air conditioning all day, my skin gets really dehydrated. So for my skin type, I've opted for the dramatically different hydrating jelly combined with the pores and uneven texture active cartridge concentrate. I apply this after I wash my face, so make sure you have clean skin. And then I'll just pump 1.5 pumps out on my hand. And then I just pat it all over my skin. Now, what I really like about this is that it's super quick absorbing, plus it saves me time in the morning because I'm combining 2 steps into one instead of applying a serum and then waiting for that to settle in and then a moisturizer on top. This does it in one step. Best of all, it's formulated without parabens, phthalates, or fragrance. Just happy skin. Moving on to the next big trend, gloss is back, baby. I'm talking glossy lips, skin, eyes, and even hair. Speaking of which, I feel like my hair does look pretty glossy today. It's probably because it's oily. Now, when it comes to lip gloss, apparently the lip plumping glosses are back. So I'm gonna try one today. This one is from Glam Glow. It's called Plump Rageous Gloss Lip Treatment. I haven't used this one before, and I don't remember the last time I've used a plumping lip gloss. Let's see if this is gonna work. I removed my lipstick, so that's just my bare lip there. And I'm just going to apply this gloss. Ooh. And it's just a clear gloss. I wonder if it's gonna burn me or something. I guess I just wait for it to work. So far, I don't really feel that much. Maybe like a little bit of like a tingling sensation. It's not burning my lips or anything, but whilst I let that do its thing, let me show you how to get glossy skin. So this is the Becca Glow Glaze Stick. I feel like my skin is looking quite glossy already because I'm getting quite oily under the light, but with this you just apply it onto the high points and it gives you more of like a wet look rather than like a shimmery highlight. Can you guys see that my skin looks more glossy now, aka more oily? Now let's try out the glossy eye trend. So I have a wash of color already on my eyes, just matching my lips. I'm actually going to use a lip gloss over the eyes to create that glossy eye effect. This is my first time trying this, but I've seen other makeup artists use like lip gloss on the eyes or even lip balm. So I'm just gonna try it out. This one is from Becca and the shade is Metamorphic Gold. So I'm gonna pop it on the back of my hand. And then just use a flat brush and I'm just going to apply this gloss on top. Wish me luck because I don't know how this is going to turn out. It's definitely very glossy. It is a little bit sticky when I blink. Not too bad though. I'll just quickly do the other side. Now I think when you're applying a gloss, you want to try not to shift the color underneath too much, especially if you have more than one color. So this is the end result, glossy eyes. I think it looks really nice and fresh and youthful. However, I don't think it's very long wearing if you're going to use lip gloss on your eyes like I did today. However, there are like eye gloss products like in pots that I've seen. I think MAC has one, so maybe that has more like long wearing power, whereas this one you can kind of already see it's creasing a little bit. So I think it would only look good for like photo shoots. If you wear it out, I don't think it's going to last very long. What do you guys think of this trend? Would you try out glossy eyes? Can we just go back to my glossy plumped up lips for a second? I feel like they have definitely gone bigger, and this redness, it kind of makes me look like I just got my lips injected because it's just like random red bits all over, or it kind of looks like I lined my lips. Now I don't know whether this trend is going to take off this year or not, but apparently green eyeshadow is going to be in. Last year it was all about blue eyeshadow, now it's all about the green. I don't really reach for green very often when it comes to my makeup, but today I will attempt to do like a green smoky eye, or we'll see what I come up with. First I'm going to apply this green eyeshadow from the MAC Rockin' Rebel palette, and I'm just going to pop that all over my lid. Then I'm going to go in with this darker metallic green shade from the Too Faced Now and Then palette, and I'm just going to apply this onto my outer corners using my fingers. Then I'm going to go in with a matte brown shade, and I'm going to be using that as a transition color on my crease. I'm going to apply the first green shade again to build up the intensity, and then quickly line my eyes, pop some lashes on, and finish off my lower lash line. And this is the final look. What do you guys think of my green eyeshadows? I'm actually pleasantly surprised with how this turned out. I normally don't reach for green very often, but I think I shall start incorporating this color more into my eyes. You may have already noticed this next trend becoming more and more popular, and that's brushed up bushy brows. You know those supermodel brows that you see on the runways? Well, now they're becoming more mainstream. I've already done a video on this, so just to quickly recap on how you guys can achieve this at home. All you need is transparent soap, water, and a spoolie. Wet the spoolie and just rub it over the soap, and then use that to brush your brows upwards. The soap pretty much works like a brow gel but much stronger. It actually holds all those hairs into place once it dries. Once the soap is dry, you can actually go in and fill in your eyebrows afterwards. Makeup artists have been using this hack for decades. Apparently this year we're going to see a lot more natural lash lifts as opposed to eyelash extensions. Now I've already tried out lash lifts in the past, and I do have a video up on that. Lash lifts are pretty much a revamped version of the old lash perm. It's a way to lift and curl your lashes for up to 8 weeks. For me, because I have shorter lashes, the results weren't as dramatic, but I have seen photos on Instagram of people with longer lashes, and it looks really good. I don't know how I feel about this last trend. Apparently baby bangs are going to be popular this year. For those of you who don't know what baby bangs are, they're pretty much like short mini bangs. I just don't think I can pull it off, but I am going to try. So I'm just going to grab a bit of this hair. Just going to divide my hair up. And then I'm going to use this twist technique. I see a lot of hairdressers and Instagrammers use it. And then I am just going to snip it. I'm totally joking, guys. I will not cut my own hair on the internet. Don't worry guys, I have clip-on bangs. So that's how I'm gonna try this trend out. I'm going to clip it a little bit higher than I normally would. So I'm just gonna brush this part back and then just clip my bangs up higher. What am I doing? I look like I had a fight with a lawnmower. Oh no. It kind of looks real. I can't take myself seriously, guys. Oh my gosh, I don't know how I feel about this. Just gonna brush all my hair back. Oh my god. I don't think I can pull this trend off. Baby bangs are not for me. Anyways, that is it to this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this trend update. Let me know below which trends you would try out this year and which ones you're gonna stay clear of. For now, make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, and I shall speak to you guys next time. Bye!